Bless Squad, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy, Blessed Applesauce, here to bless y'all with another video here on Blessed to Invest. And today I want to talk about a topic that is very important to all the traders out there. Everybody says it's like the most important thing a trader needs to know, and that is trading psychology. Forget all the understanding the chart, forget learning how to read level 2 and learning your system and your strategy, forget all that. The number one thing you need to know how to do is your trading psychology. And today I want to talk about specifically detachment, just being detached from the circumstance, detached from the outcome, because that's going to allow you to trade a lot better. And I had this epiphany a while back when I was trading. I was super stressed out. So I would go to the paper trading. I would paper trade. Everything would be good. My strategy would be working. I'd be super successful in paper trading. I was like, okay, perfect. Translate over to live trading and systems not working. I'm losing money. Like execution isn't as clean as it used to be. And everything is just falling apart. And what I realized was I was too attached to a particular circumstance. I was attached to making 100,000 in the first year, because I don't know if I explained this to y'all, but my first year I was trying to make six figures. I don't know why I was trying to do that in the first 3 months of trading. I never knew how to do it, never traded before, and all of a sudden I'm thinking I'm going to make six figures in the first 3 months. Crazy, ridiculous goals, but understanding that now, being a little bit more realistic, I can understand how far-fetched that was. But I was so attached to a circumstance, attached to an outcome, attached to a goal, attached to, oh, if this trade goes wrong, what am I going to do? This trade goes bad, I lose money. What am I going to do? I'm losing it. So detachment from that, understanding that, okay, if I lose this money, what's going to happen? If I don't make it this trade, what's going to happen? And being okay with that. And I want to give you a couple of tips that are really helpful to get you in a point of detachment, so you're not so focused on, okay, is this trade going to make money? Is my next trade going to make money? Dang, I just lost. Like, what am I going to do now? And that's when you get into like revenge trading, and then you lose even more money, and it just compiles on itself and you're just stressed out. So the first thing that I recommend is understanding your downside risk. Understanding, are you okay with blowing up your whole entire account? Whatever you have in your account, let's say you have $10,000 in your account, you have $100,000 in your account, you have $500 in your account, whatever you have in your account, are you okay right now with losing every dime in your account? If the answer is no, you're officially attached. If the answer is yes, okay, fine. And that's really the mindset you have to get yourself into. Accept the fact that I'm going to lose all this money. I don't care. I went to the casino. I set it all on black. I've accepted. I've taken the loss. And it's weird to me that when people go into a casino, or when people go into these venues where they're just having fun, they've accepted the fact, okay, I'm going to spend $100 this week, or I'm going to spend it's going to cost me this much to do this. But when in trading, they get into a standpoint of, oh, I put money in, and I'm expecting it to double in like the next couple of days or whatever. And that's where the issues arise. So put yourself in the mindset, this is a cost. I'm spending money to get a particular benefit out of this. I'm spending money and I'm expecting not to get it back. I don't care if it comes back, whatever happens with it, except that I'm either learning from this, I'm taking the money and gaining some more skills in the market. And even if it does grow, I don't really care. The money's gone. I've accepted that I'm never getting this money back, and I'm moving on with life no matter what happens. And just that step alone is going to get you in a mindset of just peaceful, a relaxed state. You've accepted that the money's gone. You've planned ahead. When the money's gone, you're thinking, okay, the money disappeared. I just lost 10 grand. My 10 grand, I already put it into my trading account. The 10 grand's gone. I don't expect to ever get that money back ever again. What am I going to do now? And when you come up with those ideas with, okay, the 10 grand's gone, what am I going to do? How am I going to pay my bills? How am I going to set my life up? How am I going to do X, Y, Z? When the 10 grand's gone, what is my next step? When you get yourself in that mindset of, okay, even if the 10 grand's gone, the 50K is gone, the $500 is gone, I'm still okay. I'll be fine. I'm going to move on. I got a savings account. I got a job. I have whatever you have in life that's going to set you up where even if you lose 10 grand, it's like, it's whatever. That mindset alone is going to get you in a state where you can relax. Understand, just be content with losing the money. Plan ahead with the money already gone. The next thing I recommend is also paper trading. A lot of times with these detachment styles, you're getting so invested because you're expecting to win and you're seeing your system not work. And a lot of times the psychology issues is not just because you're not trading well. Sometimes your system just straight up doesn't work. So give your system 100 tries to actually try it out, test it, get comfortable with it, even without the money. Maybe you just have to paper trade for a couple of months. Just say, okay, I'm going to get comfortable with my system, because when you trade it 100 times, it's like building a relationship. You understand the downfalls, you understand the risk, you understand the how much it's going to draw down your account. So let's say, again, the 10K example, maybe sometimes in your strategy, it draws down $500. Maybe in your strategy, it has these days where it's not working and your account's not going up or down at all. And you understanding your system in your trading strategy, you get more comfortable with that, understanding, okay, it's just that part of the day. It is what it is. It's just kind of ebb and flow. The market's really not hitting like it used to. The highs aren't really going. The lows aren't moving, whatever. And you get in a peaceful, relaxed state because you are comfortable with your trading strategy and you know your trading strategy already. So again, from that, it's going to give you a level of confidence. You're going to be relaxed because, one, you don't care about the money. It is what it is. And two, you know how your trading strategy works. You're comfortable in that. And the next thing to detach yourself from the money is don't even look at it. I do use on my platform, I have a place where I can cover up my equity. I can cover up my P&L. I can cover up like what's going on. So I'm just focused on the chart. I'm just focused on the moves at hand. And I don't really know how much I'm making until I'm done with the day. I know I might be in the green. I know I might be in the red, but it is what it is. I'm moving accordingly to how the trade is playing out, how the numbers are working, and cutting my losses where I'm supposed to be cutting my losses, sticking to my strategy and not deviating from that, just keeping it very simple that way. So keep that in mind when you're learning how to trade, learn how to detach yourself from the money, expect to lose it, come into the day with money you can afford to lose. And I think that's the big issue for a lot of people. They're going in with a lot of money and they're thinking, okay, this is going to really make or break me, instead of thinking this is an investment in my future. You need to be thinking long term about this game, not just, oh, what can I do for this money next month? Don't put any money that you can't afford to lose, that you can't afford to risk, because at the end of the day, this is investing. You do have a risk of losing it all, even if you are an expert day trader that's been doing this for 10, 20 years. Even the best traders in the world have those like really wicked, crazy loss days. It happens to all of us. So understand that, be comfortable with that. And if you take this knowledge, learn how to detach yourself from the money, expect to lose it, just go in with the mindset, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. I don't care. And you're going to see a lot of progress and you're going to be a lot more comfortable in your trading once you do that. So let me know down in the comments down below how this has affected your trading. Meditate on that. Really just meditate on that. Detachment from the money. I don't care what it is. It is what it is. I don't care. Let me know how that works for you in the comment section down below. Have you tried this already? And how well does it work? And that's going to wrap it up. It's been your boy, Blessed Applesauce. Stay blessed. I'm going to see y'all next time on Blessed to Invest.
Just to see tomorrow is a blessing. Stay prayed up is the message. Everything about a nigga blessed. Everything about a nigga.